Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to set limits for Cellular on ACER Connect X6E. So at the very beginning you should open the ACER Connect X6E administrator panel. If you don't know how to do that, just watch our video about it, you can find it here. And then click 5G network on the left panel and find here data usage. Okay, and here we have start date of each month. So this should be date when you should pay for your internet, right? And here data limitation for each month. You should enable it firstly and then set it. For example, you have 100 gigabytes, so just enter 100 gigabytes. Data warning of each month. For example, after you reach 80 gigabytes, you will get notification with the warning that, oh my god, guy, you used 80 gigabytes, you have only 20 left, and you will, for example, switch to WAN mode. Okay, so click apply, confirm, success. Cool, that's it, guys. Here you will see usage statistic of your Cellular later, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it's true, so leave me a like and a comment below, please, and bye. See you.